Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to biology online class. See, yesterday we had discussed about the process spermatogenesis. See, this is the diagram of seminiferous tubule showing spermatogenesis. See, this is the diagram of seminiferous tubule showing spermatogenesis. So seminiferous tubule showing spermatogenesis. Seminiferous tubule present in the testes and sperm formation occurs in the seminiferous tubule. So that's why this diagram shows the spermatogenesis process that will occurs in the seminiferous tubule. So as you all know that first spermatogonia cell present in the seminiferous tubule. See, this is the spermatogonia. This is the spermatogonia cell present in the seminiferous tubule, contains 46 chromosome, means 2n. It contains 46 chromosome. See, this spermatogonia undergoes mitotic division and increase its number. See, this phase is called multiplication phase. I already explained about the spermatogenesis process. So the spermatogonia increase its number with the help of mitotic division. That phase is called multiplication phase. And some of the spermatogonia continue as type A spermatogonia, while others differentiates into type B spermatogonia. See, type A spermatogonia continues to divide. It will not involved in the sperm formation. But type B spermatogonia enters the growth phase and nourished by Sertoli cells and grows for a brief period. Now they are called primary spermatocyte. Type B spermatogonia ತನ್ನ ಸೈಜನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆರಟೋಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನರಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ತನ್ನ ಸೈಜನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಂತಹ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾನ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್. Primary spermatocytes are formed. Primary spermatocyte also contains 46 chromosomes, that is 2n. 46 chromosomes present. Spermatogonial cell actually take the nourishment from the Sertoli cells. See here there is a presence of Sertoli cells. See, these are Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells. The primary spermatocyte completes its first meiotic division and leads to the formation of secondary spermatocyte. See, this is the secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte completes its first meiotic division and leads to the formation of secondary spermatocyte. So meiosis ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ meiosis is a reductional cell division. So that's why chromosome number reduced. Chromosome number 46 present in the primary spermatocyte, but in the secondary spermatocyte it's get reduced to 23. That is n. So meiosis reductional cell division ನೆನ್ನೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮಿಯಾಸಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ 46 ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ 23 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮಿಯಾಸಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಿಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಡ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಡ್ಸ್. Secondary spermatocytes complete its second meiotic division and leads to the formation of spermatids. And spermatids are inactive, non-motile and non-functional. They are transformed into active, motile and functional sperms. See, these are sperms by a process called spermiogenesis. Primary spermatocyte complete its first meiotic division and transform into secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte complete its second meiotic division and transform into spermatids. See, this phase is called maturation phase. And then immature means inactive, non-functional and non-motile spermatids are transformed into active, motile and functional sperms. See, this process is called spermiogenesis. Spermatids also contains 23 chromosomes, that is N. Sperms also contains 23 chromosomes, that is also N. See, this diagram shows the spermatogenesis process that will occur in the seminiferous tubule of the testes. So now let us see the next topic, that is how hormones influences spermatogenesis process. Hormones spermatogenesis process na yav tara influence ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. See, the spermatogenesis process begins at puberty. See, puberty means it's a sexual maturity and capable of reproduction. Become capable of reproduction, that is known as puberty. See, the spermatogenesis process begins at puberty due to significant increase in the hypothalamic hormone. So, spermatogenesis puberty means it's a sexual maturity and become capable of reproduction. So, the spermatogenesis begins at puberty due to the significant increase in hypothalamic hormone. See, the hypothalamus region of the brain. Hypothalamus region of the brain secrete a hormone called gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone, that is GnRH. It's a hypothalamus, means hypothalamic hormone secreted by the hypothalamus region of the brain. So, hypothalamus gonadotropin releasing hormone anna secrete ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. See, this gonadotropin releasing hormone stimulates anterior pituitary. It stimulates anterior pituitary to secrete two gonadotropins. So, ಎರಡು gonadotropins na secrete ಮಾಡೋ ತರ anterior pituitary ಅನ್ನ hypothalamic hormone, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone stimulate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ gonadotropin releasing hormone anterior pituitary ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ anterior pituitary ಎರಡು gonadotropins ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಎರಡು gonadotropins ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ LH. ಸಿ LH ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯೂಟಿನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. LH means it's a luteinizing hormone, and the second one is FSH. FSH anta andre follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone secreted by the anterior pituitary. See, these are the two gonadotropins. See, why they are called gonadotropins? Because these hormones acts on gonads. These hormones acts on gonads. Gonads means sex organ, that is testes in male and ovaries in female. So these hormones acts on gonads. So that's why these hormones are called gonadotropins. They are two gonadotropins secreted by the anterior pituitary. The first one is luteinizing hormone and the second one is follicle stimulating hormone. See, this LH or luteinizing hormone acts on Leydig cell. Acts on Leydig cell. Leydig cell present outside the seminiferous tubules of the testes. Testes ina ಒಳಗಡೆ seminiferous tubule ina outside ಅಲ್ಲಿ Leydig cells present ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See, LH acts on Leydig cells and stimulate Leydig cells to secrete androgen. So Leydig cell androgen ಅನ್ನ secrete ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Androgen ಅಂದ್ರೆ testosterone. It's a male sex hormone. LH stimulates Leydig cell to secrete androgen, or LH acts on Leydig cell and stimulate Leydig cell to secrete androgen. See, this androgen stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. Androgen stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. So spermatogenesis process na androgen stimulate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. See, this is the function of luteinizing hormone. The next one is FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone. FSH acts on Sertoli cells. FSH acts on Sertoli cells and stimulates the synthesis of several factors which are necessary for spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis means the formation of sperms from spermatids is called spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ FSH ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. And FSH hormone acts on Sertoli cell, and Sertoli cell gets stimulated to secrete a hormone called inhibin. So hormone known as inhibin secreted by the Sertoli cell. FSH ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, Sertoli cell ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Sertoli cell ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, inhibin ಅನ್ನೋ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ನ ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ several other factors ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಯೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So this FSH hormone also acts on the spermatogonial cell. Where these spermatogonial cells are present? These are present in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. So seminiferous tubules of the testes ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಸಹ ಇದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ FSH also induce spermatogenesis. FSH also induce spermatogenesis by stimulating the spermatogonial cells. By stimulating the spermatogonial cells differentiates into sperms. ಸೊ ಈ FSH ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸೆಮಿನಿಫರಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಯುಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ ಅಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದ age of puberty. Puberty means it's a sexual maturity and become capable of reproduction. See, the spermatogenesis process occurs at the age of puberty due to the significant increase in the hormone, that is hypothalamic hormone, gonadotropin releasing hormone secreted by the hypothalamus region of the brain. See, this gonadotropin releasing hormone stimulates anterior pituitary, and then anterior pituitary is going to secrete two gonadotropins. Gonadotropins means these are hormones that acts on gonads. Gonads means testes in males and ovaries in females, that is sex organs. See, the two gonadotropins secreted by anterior pituitary are, the first one is FSH and the second one is LH. LH means luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone acts on Leydig cells and stimulate Leydig cell to secrete androgen. It's a male sex hormone. Androgen in turn stimulate spermatogenesis process. So ಈ LH ಲೇಡಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಲೇಡಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲು ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜನ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. FSH ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, FSH ಸೆರಟೋಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆರಟೋಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲು ಹಿನಿಬಿನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನನ್ನು ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. and then several other factors are also secreted, and these factors are essential for spermiogenesis process. Spermiogenesis means the spermatids are transformed into sperms by a process called spermiogenesis. And this FSH also induces spermatogenesis by stimulating the spermatogonial cells that will differentiate into sperms. So ಏನು spermatogonial cells ಸೆಮಿನಿಫರಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಸಹ FSH ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲು ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ FSH ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ FSH ಸೆರಟೋಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಸವರಲ್ ಅದರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಯೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ and it acts on serotonin cell, and serotonin cell is going to secrete a hormone called inhibin, and LH Leydig cell ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Leydig cell ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಂಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ and androgen is going to stimulate the process called spermatogenesis. Thank you.